If you are new to the channel, then subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Okay student, welcome you all to this new lecture in circles. So today we will see how to find the slope of a tangent that can be drawn from a point external to the circle. From outside a point you are drawing the tangents and you want to find the slopes of these tangents. So okay, then let's see this. Now next thing is to find the slope of a tangent that is to be drawn from a given point to a circle. Suppose a point is given to you P, x1, y1. So this point you can draw two tangent from a point. Outside a point you can draw two tangent to a circle. And you want to find these slopes. What will be the slope of PT1, what will be the slope of PT2. And this circle is given to you. So circle is given to you, point is given to you. So what is the idea? You know the PT1 and PT2. These two lines, we can write it in this format because it's this line, if it has to touch it, then it's C. Y equal to mx plus c has to satisfy this condition that we have learned from our earlier article. Hope you have seen. So this is the earlier article. Your c has to be this, then only it will touch it. So the straight line that I am considering for PT1, PT2, this c should be of this fashion. Okay, so one equation will be this one, y equal to mx, another equation will be this one. So if you take square of this one, suppose, so this will be the square, and this is open it, and now if you keep m square one side, if you want to make it a quadratic of m only, you make it in this way. Take m square common, constant you take other side. So because x1, y1 they have given, this point they have given you, a is already given circle, so it is a quadratic equation of m. If you solve it, you will find 2m. So what is this m represents? This m represents this slope of these two lines, because these lines was which line? The tangent. We have taken from the tangent itself, because it satisfied the condition for the tangency, so that's why it will obviously be tangent. This line is nothing but a tangent. So if you solve this one and find m, that means you are finding slope of the tangents. That is the solving this. So you can remember this expression, but the idea is to remember how we are approaching to derive this one. That is also very important. So if you solve this quadratic equation, you will find the slopes of PT1 and PT2. You can remember it because x1, y1, so you can put it in x1 minus s square, then y1 minus s square. You can think it a square is the minus from this, and then middle one is minus 2x1, y1. That's it. If you like the video, then press the like button and please give your valuable comments in the comment section.